Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Von Sitoy of GoRealty.ph. For today's video, samahan nyo ako silipin natin yung bago nating listing dito sa Pramana Residences. Ang good news, we are selling it 13 million pesos gross. Ibig sabihin, kasama na doon yung CGT and the buyer will shoulder the transfer of title. This house has 3 bedrooms with the lot size of 196 square meter lot area and 200 approximately floor area. So tara, samahan nyo ako, silipin natin tong unit na to. So guys, nakita na natin yung loob ng property and gusto ko naman i-share sa inyo yung location ng Pramana Residences. Pramana Residences is located in Greenfield City of Santa Rosa City, Laguna, and very accessible in 3 major exits: Mamplasan Calax exit, Santa Rosa exit, and Eton exit. Yes guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa pinakamalapit na park sa pinakita kong property sa inyo. 1 block away lang, no, napakalapit lang. Kung interested kayo sa property na to, you can send me a message dito lang sa mga numbers sa screen and I am more than happy to assist you.